Hello everyone, this is your brother Gaetan Berta and the channel is English for Respectable Communication. Today I have brought you a rarely used adverb of frequency. But before we observe that adverb of frequency, firstly let me ask you a question. What is an adverb of frequency? Let me know in the comment section below. In addition to that, write as many adverbs of frequency as you know in the comment section below. Okay, that is good. So, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are one kinds of adverbs. We have different kinds of adverbs. For instance, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and the last one are adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are used to answer the question which starts with how often or how frequently. When someone asks you a question by using how often, your answer is expected to be one of the adverbs of frequency. If someone asks you by using how frequently, your answer is expected to be one of the adverbs of frequency. አንዳንድ ጊዜ how often ተብለን ጥያቄ ከተጠየቅን ወይንም ደግሞ how frequently ተብለን ጥያቄ ከተጠየቅን መልሳችን መሆን ያለበት ምንድነው? adverbs of frequency ነው መሆን ያለበት። adverb of frequency። ለምሳሌ እኔ አብዛኛውን ጊዜ የሚያጋጥመኝን አንድ የተሳሳተ ነገር ልንገራችሁ። I sometimes ask people, how often do you smoke cigarette? Or how often do you drink alcohol? ሲጋራ የማያጨሰው ሰው አንዳንድ በተሳሳተው ምን ብሎ ይመልስልኛል? No ይለኛል። No is not the correct answer for the question how often do you smoke cigarette? No is not the correct answer for the question how often do you drink alcohol? ሲጋራ በፍጹም የማታጨሱ ከሆነ ወይንም ደግሞ አልኮል በፍጹም የማትጠጡ ከሆነ የማትወስዱ ከሆነ ኖ ሳይሆን ማለት ያለባችሁ ኔጌቲቭን የምታመለክት adverb of frequency አለች። እሷ ማናት? never ነው። That should be your answer. So, how often do you smoke cigarette? Your answer must be never. Or you can say, I never smoke cigarette. How often do you drink alcohol? Your answer must be, I never drink alcohol. Or simply you can say never. ነገር ግን በአረፍተ ነገር መመለስ ከፈለጋችሁ I never smoke cigarette ማለት ትችላላችሁ ነው። Okay. In addition, every day is the other kind of adverb of frequency. How often do you brush your teeth? You can say, I brush my teeth every day. How often do you go to church? You can say, I go to church every week. How often do you go to mosque? You can say, I go to mosque every Friday. In addition, we can say, we Ethiopians celebrate New Year every year. So, every day, every week, every Friday, every year are known as adverbs of frequency. So, every day, every week, every month, every season, every year, እነዚህ ምን ይባላሉ? adverbs of frequency ይባላሉ። እነዚህ ብቻ አይደሉም፣ ብዙ አሉ። Okay, the next one is አንድ ለየት ያለ ጥያቄ ልጠይቃችሁ። አንድን ስራ you do it on Monday but you skip and do that again on Wednesday. ማክሰኞን ዘላችሁ ሮብ ላይ ሰራችሁት፣ ሐሙስን ዘላችሁ ዓርብ ላይ ሰራችሁት፣ አንዳንድ ቀን እየዘለላችሁ የምትሰሩ ከሆነ ምን ይባላል? What type of adverb of frequency do you use? For example, you do something on Monday but you skip Tuesday and do it on Wednesday. You skip Thursday and do it on Friday. You skip Saturday and do it on Sunday. You skip Monday and do it on Tuesday. እያላችሁ ትቀጥላላችሁ። አንዳንድ ቀን አለፍ የምትሰሩት ከሆነ ምን ትጠቀማላችሁ? What type of adverb of frequency do you use? ምን ትጠቀማላችሁ? Let me know in the comment section below. That adverb of frequency is called every other day. Okay? It is very simple. If you put other between every and day, it becomes every other day. Say it again. Every other day. Or you can say every second day. That is also a possible alternative. ስለዚህ ምን ትጠቀማላችሁ? አንዳንድ ቀን እያለፋችሁ የሆነ ስራ የምትሰሩ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው? Every other day ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, let me give you some examples. I update my laptop every other day. That means ዛሬ አፕዴት ካደረኩት ላፕቶፕን ነገን ዘልዬ ከነገ ወዲያ ምን አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው? አፕዴት አደርገዋለሁ። በእያንዳንድ ቀን እያለፍኩኝ ላፕቶፕን ምን አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው? አፕዴት አደርገዋለሁ ማለት ነው። So there is a one day break between the happenings of the things. There is a one day break between the happening of the things. The next one is I wash my hair every other day. I wash my hair every other day. ያ ማለት ፀጉሬን ሰኞ ከታጠብኩ ሮብ ታጥቤ አርብ ታጥቤ እሁድ ታጥቤ ማክሰኞ ነው የምታጠበው ማለት ነው። The third one is Qidist declutters her bedroom every other day. What does declutter mean? Declutter means cleaning. Declutter. So Qidist declutters her bedroom every other day. ቅድስት የመኝታ ቤቷን ምን ታደርጋለች ማለት ነው? አንዳንድ ቀን እየዘለለች ታጸዳለች ማለት ነው። Next, they hold a meeting every other day. ሌላኛው እንደገና ስብሰባ ለምሳሌ አንድ ቀን ዘሎ ስብሰባ የሚካሄድ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ? You can say they hold a meeting every other day. Next, Nardos eats spaghetti every other day. The office is open every other day. ስለዚህ በሆነ ቢሮ ስትሄዱ we are open every other day ከተባላችሁ ያን ቀን ስትሄዱ ዝግ ከሆነ በማግስቱ ነው ማለት ነው የሚከፈተው። ግልጽ ነኝ? ምናልኳችሁ በሆነ ቢሮ ሄዳችሁ let's assume you go to an office and then you observed on the door we are open every other day. ቢሮ ላይ በሯ ላይ we are open every other day ብሎ ከለጠፈ የሄዳችሁበት ቀን ዝግ ከሆነ በማግስቱ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? ክፍት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ every other day is an adverb of frequency that is used to show the frequency of the activity which has a one day break between the happening. በነገሮች happen ከማድረጋቸው በፊት የአንዳንድ ቀን እንትን break አለ ማለት ነው። ይሄ ነው። Okay, in addition you can say every other week. That is also possible. አንድ ሳምንት እያለፋችሁ የሆነ ስራ የምትሰሩ ከሆነ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? አንዳንድ ሳምንት this week የሆነ ስራ ሰራው ቀጣይ ሳምንት አልሰራውም በሙሉ ከዛ ለወዲያኛው ሳምንት የምሰራው ከሆነ ምን እላለሁ ማለት ነው? I can say I do that thing every other week. In addition, it is also possible to say every other month. Or you can say every other year እያላችሁ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት አንድ ሳምንት አልፎ አንድ ወር አልፎ አንድ አመት አልፎ ማለት ነው። So every other day, every other week, every other month, every other year. ስንት adverb of frequency ያወቃችሁ? 4. So አንዳንድ ቀን እያለፋችሁ or አንዳንድ ሳምንት እያለፋችሁ or አንዳንድ ወር እያለፋችሁ or አንዳንድ አመት እያለፋችሁ የምትሰሩትን ስራ ፍሪኩዌንሲውን ለመግለጽ every other ፕላስ ታደርጉና ቀን ከሆነ day ሳምንት ከሆነ week ወር ከሆነ month የአመት ከሆነ year መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሲዝንም ከሆነ season ወቅት every other season that is also possible. In addition, let me provide you some highlights about the position of every other day. Most of the time, every other day appears at the end of sentences. አብዛኛውን ጊዜ የሚመጣው ምን ላይ ነው? አረፍተ ነገር መጨረሻ ላይ ነው። ለምሳሌ I brush my teeth every other day. We don't use every other day before the main verb. That means I cannot say I every other day brush my teeth. ማለት አልችልም። ከቨርብ በፊት ሊመጣ አይችልም። አብዛኛውን ጊዜ ከቨርብ በፊት የሚመጡት ምን አይነት adverbs of frequency ናቸው? Indefinite adverbs of frequency የሚባሉ አሉ። እነዛም በሌላ ርዕሰ ጉዳይ እናያቸዋለን። So, finally, I have a question for you. Are you ready to answer my question? I think so. Everybody, all of you are ready or volunteer to answer my question. ጥያቄ ይሄ ነው። የመጨረሻ ከመሰነባበታችን በፊት መልሳችሁን ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ፣ አየዋለሁ። So, what do you do every other day? What do you do every other day? So you can use the following possible sentence structure. መልሳችሁን ለመስራት የሚከተለውን sentence structure መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ. You can say I blank every other day. ለምሳሌ ስዕል ምስሉ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ? I draw pictures every other day. ውሃ የምትጠጡ ከሆነ I drink water every other day. That is possible. ፓረንታችሁን ወይም ቤተሰብ የምትጎበኙ ከሆነ ደግሞ አንድ ቀን እያለፋችሁ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? I visit my parents, or you can say I visit my grandparents every other day. That is also possible. So, that is all about today's lesson. Every other day. Don't forget, students, that is an adverb of frequency. ምንድነው አልኳችሁ? Adverb of frequency. And finally, if you don't do anything at all, and then if someone asks you a question by using how often, don't forget to answer never. አንድ ጥያቄ how often ተብላችሁ ከተጠየቃችሁ ያንን ስራ ማሰሩት ከሆነ no እንዳትሉ። ምንድነው የምትሉት ብያችኋለሁ? Never. How often do you smoke cigarettes? Never. How often do you drink alcohol? Never. How often do you chew chat? Never. ማሰሩት ከሆነ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ለዛሬ ይበቃናል። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ፣ ሼር አድርጉ፣ ላይክ አድርጉ። That is all about today's lesson. Thank you very much indeed. See you soon.